A tornado warning remains in effect for north-central Calhoun, northwestern Webster, and Pocahontas counties until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:32 a.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This is a dangerous storm. This dangerous storm was located near 6 miles north of Pocahontas, or 29 miles northeast of Storm Lake, moving south at 25 mph. This dangerous storm will be near Pocahontas around 12:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Palmer around 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this dangerous storm include Pomeroy. Immediately seek shelter in a basement or interior room. Stay away from windows. If you are outside, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, seek shelter in a nearby reinforced building. As a last resort, find the lowest spot available and cover your head. Tornadoes are difficult to see at night. Act quickly. Take cover now.